Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a wellness brand with Peloton, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by defining your brand's mission and vision. Identify the core values that resonate with wellness enthusiasts. Research the wellness market and understand current trends. Analyze successful wellness brands, focusing on their unique selling propositions. Determine your target audience and create detailed customer personas. Explore the various aspects of wellness you want to emphasize, such as fitness, nutrition, or mental health. Decide on the specific Peloton products or services to incorporate into your brand. Establish partnerships with certified trainers and wellness experts. Develop a strong online presence through a well-designed website. Create social media profiles that reflect your brand identity. Utilize Peloton's platform for potential collaborations or endorsements. Design engaging content that aligns with your audience's interests. Incorporate video and tutorials featuring Peloton workouts. Host online wellness events or challenges to build community engagement. Utilize email marketing to share news, updates, and wellness tips. Gather and showcase testimonials from users who benefited from your brand. Create a blog that discusses industry insights, promoting a holistic wellness approach. Stay updated on Peloton's latest features and offerings for continual improvement. Maintain consistency in messaging across all platforms to strengthen brand recognition. Evaluate your marketing strategies through analytics to refine your approach. Adapt and evolve your brand as trends and audience needs shift. Foster collaborations with other wellness influencers to expand your reach. Focus on building a loyal community that shares your brand values. Emphasize the importance of authenticity in all brand interactions. Regularly solicit feedback to improve products and services. Ensure that your branding reflects the overall wellness journey you advocate. Celebrate milestones and acknowledge your community's contributions. Position your brand as a trusted resource in the wellness space. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.